guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video I will be considering how to cut the front panel lining of this kaftan suit, the back panel lining and the sleeve lining of this kaftan suit. So I would like you to stay put and watch as I carry out these steps. So but the first thing I have to do is to join the lining for the front panel. This is our inner facing. This is the inner facing for the front panel. This is another inner facing for the front panel. So I'm going to join it, that of the front panel, the inner facing for the front panel. We join it. So after joining it, I will now move to the table to cut it out. So I'm showing you right now. So I'm done joining this. Then I will also join the opposite side. So I'm done with this. I will now move straight to the table for the cutting right now. So this is, we are on top of the iron, and this is the lining which I join. What I will do is that I will iron it first. I iron it. I also iron the opposite side. So I keep it by the side first. Then I will pick the front panel. This is the front panel, two front panel. So I'm going to fold it. I fold the 1.5 inches. This is also 1.5 inches. So we cut it now. I will cut it just as I cut the interface one by one. So that's how we also cut the lining one by one. I'm not going to cut it together. We cut it one after the other. So this is the corresponding front panel for this inner facing. This is the corresponding front panel for the inner facing. I just want to shift it for you to see the bottom area. You can see it. So I'm done cutting the lining for the side of the front panel. I will bring out the other side. And this is the corresponding front panel for this side of the inner facing. So I'm done cutting this. So I will take off the sleeve. These are the sleeve. These are the sleeves. So I will cut the sleeve right now. I will leave the sleeve to cut the back panel first. Let me cut the back panel. Now, in cutting the back panel, because the back panel is equal, so we are joining it together this way, unlike the front panel which are not equal. So that's the reason why we cut it one by one, because they are not equal. So on this case now, I'm going to be cutting the back panel together. This is my back panel. I'm going to cut it together. This is the upper area of the back panel. So this is my back panel. So I'm cutting the sleeve now. I'm done with the outer sleeve. Now cutting this one because of the space. I don't have all that much space on this, so I need to look for a way to make sure that I will then use this to train this out. This space is small. Let me look for another space. Let me try this. Yes, this will enter. So I'm done with the cutting of the lining, both the front lining, front panel, back panel, and the sleeve lining. So these all the lining. So this all about how to cut the lining for this Kaftan jacket. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to give me a like, and if you are new to my channel, look down this video, you see a subscribe button. Hit on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all, so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you and remain blessed.